At this point, we've imported two datasets into our ArcGIS Pro model. However, how much do we actually know about our data? ArcGIS provides options for learning about your data, both for specific elements appearing on your map and for your datasets as a whole. If you want to find information about individual features on your map, begin by selecting the Map tab at the top of the page. Then, in the ribbon, click on the Explore icon. This allows you to do a couple of things. For example, if you were to position your cursor on the map and hold down your left-hand mouse button, moving your mouse would move the map. This is also known as panning, and it can be used to explore different parts of the map. However, for the present exercise, let's just click on a feature on the map. You will see that this causes the selected feature to briefly change color and results in a pop-up window that displays information about the feature. On a higher level, you may use the Catalog window to determine data format and type for each of your datasets. For example, hovering over the names of our datasets in the Catalog window results in a pop-up window with their names and the fact that, in this case, they are shapefiles. Also, each of the names has a small image to its left that indicates whether it is raster or vector data. The image for raster data looks like a grid. By comparison, the image corresponding to the vector data contains lines, shapes, and points, such as might characterize those elements found in vector data. Another way of identifying raster data is by zooming in on the map. At some point, it becomes apparent that the raster layer on the map consists of a series of colored squares. This makes sense, given that raster data assigns values within a geographical grid work. In the next video, I will briefly discuss metadata.